It's my cell phone.
Oh, that's a cell phone?
Please, come on.
No, it's broken. You broke it. I'll give anyone $10,000 if they can fix my phone. 10,000.
Mr. Page,
Perhaps we could interest you in a newer model?
I don't want a new model. I want that phone.
Allow me to assist you, Mr. Page. On the house, I'm the store manager.
Let's have a look here. So I take it these messages you need to get to, they must be very important.
it's just one.
It should work just fine now.
It's fixed.
I'll give you some privacy and you can check for yourself.
April 9th, one saved message.
Hardly. It's me, Josie.